Hey guys, welcome back to another Gear Pro one-on-one. Today's question comes from Casey. Really quick to the gun here. We just launched a lot of new stuff, guys. Go check out the website. Amongst them is this new boned out game bag that we came out with. Really feature rich, but yet simple product here. It's a zipper entry on the front for loading your meat. This works great for trim meat like back straps, neck meat, rib cage meat, all those little extras that are gonna be loose and don't have that bone in the center for rigidity. So this bag's gonna help you out with that, especially with our E-mod system, our F1 frame, because of these different attachment points. So not only does this bag come with longer gray carry handles for moving the meat from point A to B onto your pack, but it also comes with these orange loops on the side here that are perfect spacing for your 3 compression straps on your mainframe. And so you're going to simply just run them through both orange straps and then buckle them to your frame. And what this does is increases the amount of point of contact for keeping up multiple positions of this bag, so you don't get it sliding through the straps, you don't get the meat starting to sag over to the bottom. This will help keep most of your load in the center to the higher portion. This is why we also taper the lower part of the bag here. Well, once you cinch it all down, you've got it ready to go, keeping that meat closest to your back, which the F1 Mainframe does a great job making sure to utilize this hip belt more than your shoulders, keeping the weight on your hips. Thank you again, Casey, for that question. If you guys have any more questions that you need to contact us about, that maybe need a video, more in-depth tutorial on how to do, feel free to contact us at customerservice@eberlestock.com.